has BDO played a role in your financial success or
BDO has played highly significant role with our business because not only are they proactive with their products, they have a wide vast of financial products that are customizable and bespoke for any of the SME businesses like one for them.
Can you share an instance when BDO went above and beyond in making sure that you have a nice banking experience?
Kaayo, you know, not only as I've said earlier, do they wait for you to go to them, they actually would also reach out. They would know what would be your current needs and your future needs, and they will try to offer you what is best for you. So we've always been appreciative with how personalized their services are. So
what do you think sets BDO apart from in terms of customer service, especially in your business?
For us, they have done so much for us like they extended the financial services, so now we can actually maintain and expand our cash flow. So like for our store, which is the Macy's Camera Shop, we were able to grow our inventory line, and we were able to expand towards carrying even other products. Not only with that, even to other businesses that we've ventured into. So BDO had always been very proactive in letting us know what services they have.
Just a brief question.
How do they proactively inform you about their products?
So not only do if mo sa shop sa branches, not only do they offer it there, they would also try to call us and let us know. And if we would have needs, even if we don't have it yet, they will let us know about what is suited for us, like the financial services and products that they have. So as I was saying earlier, we were able to expand not only our camera business, but even since we ventured to other businesses like real estate, so we were able to know that that is very possible with the help of BDO.
What advice would you give to the Cebuanos thinking about partnering with BDO for their banking needs?
Don't be intimidated. Read if in case you're not getting the services yet. So ask. It wouldn't harm if you would ask questions to anybody, officers of the BDO, and you'll be surprised how friendly and open they are. So let them know what you need, ask them what they can offer. And again, I think for the many years that we've been having a relationship with BDO never failed us. So I think it will be the same for anybody else that would, come to BDO.
So how many years with BDO?
Almost 20 years.
Why you choose this movie?
This movie, well, Alden is our endorser. Yeah, but not only that, this movie, Hello Love Again, it's a movie, it's a perfect fit to showcase how BDO supports our Filipinos, not just here. This is an OFW movie, so it's about sending your money abroad. So we support that. And also in the movie, you will see later on how BDO plays a role in Ethan's story. We want to make people's lives easier, anytime, anywhere. So supporting this movie reflects on our commitment to finding ways for our clients anywhere in the world and meeting their banking needs. So it's very BDO.
Also at any time.
Anytime.
Any
with our
time difference.
mobile app.
Yes.
Can you discuss your digital features for the BDO?
Yeah, right now we're really big into digital innovation, so we aim to make banking simple, secure, and easy. So for example, if you want to go into our branches, you can actually, before going to the branch, you can go online, you can book a transaction, and then when you get to the branch, you just scan your QR code in our service assist machines. And then you don't need to fill up a form, you don't need to manually encode, you just wait for your number to be called. And then if you go there during your allotted time slot, you don't even need to wait because you skip the line, you get called first. Yeah. And Yeah, so you can do that. And then we also have, you don't need to wait, diba? And we are also rolling out our universal teller machines. We have selected branches which have them already. So the universal teller machine is like a self-service kiosk, you know? So you can deposit cash, deposit checks, pay your bills, do balance inquiries, withdraw using QR code or with a card. If you don't have a card, you can withdraw using your fingerprints.
Oh.
Yes, or biometric.
Yeah.
Biometric.
Yeah, so that you get your biometric scanned in the branch. And best of all, you don't need to line up because it's just a machine there. So you don't need to wait for the counter.
Wow.
Yeah, and added to that, we have our branch banking services. We also have our mobile app. So our mobile app, you can manage and access your accounts anytime, anywhere.
Wow.
So we're leveraging on technology. You know, we want to offer seamless, we call it physical and digital branch banking experience for our clients, allowing your clients to choose the way they want to bank. You know, you want to go to a branch, or you want to do it online, or you want to do a combination of both, whichever you're comfortable with.